LAMA stands for Lab for Additive Manufacturing in Architecture. Our research group works a lot with performative design, so optimization. And optimization in the design leads often to very complex geometry. And the only way to manufacture this is by 3D printing. The educational activities which we have in LAMA is primarily support for graduate students with all different kind of topics, from prototyping to material use. And we also teach students in the use of robotics and 3D printing. We have a whole range of machines available here at LAMA. First is a print farm, where you can make smaller components and combine them to a bigger component. Second one is a large 3D printer. Third one is the use of robotics. We have an industrial robot and we have a laboratory robot. And a novel one, which we're still developing ourselves, is mobile 3D printing. Two revolutionary products which were developed here at LAMA are the Trom Wall. The Trom Wall is a wall which actually can capture heat and then emit it during the night. And this one was 3D printed, and materials were used like PCM and aerogel to combine it into one effective Trom Wall. The other one is the use of cold extrusion of pure wood. We had a very interesting collaboration with Pulse, that's a building next to industrial design. And the architect asked us to design and develop a sun shading system based on the optimized shape of the panels, which actually will cast shadow. One of the most important things which we learned from this is that by using the 3D printing technique and the rationalization process for that sun shading system, we were able to compete money-wise with traditional sun shading systems. If you are an organization, a company, or student or researcher, you are always welcome here if you have ideas. We have a lot of knowledge about the use of the machines, the 3D printing process, about materials, but also in the rationalization in the design process. It's very important.